Bitcoin made you a libertarian. What?
No. Introduce me to libertarianism. Running a business made me libertarian. We've made it too hard. We've destroyed ambition and entrepreneurship in this country, and it's not good. You get punished. It's like death by 1,000 cuts. In every direction, people are just ripping you off, scamming you. That makes me sad. These are 30 grand people who are taking the 90 grand job because nobody else wants it. 8 in 10 teachers would vote for Labour or Green. That's terrifying. We have brilliant people in this country, and they don't go anywhere near politics. Why would they? They have their lives exposed, constant pressure, might get murdered, and there's no financial reward. And so we are attracting idiots. Meet King Charles, Buckingham Palace, go explain Bitcoin to him.
So Pete McCormack, 4 years from now, Prime Minister, could you be the leader Britain needs?